There are healthcare education resources available on Florida Health Finder. From the home page, click the Healthcare Education panel, and here we can find the Health Encyclopedia and the Symptom Health Navigator. If we click the Health Encyclopedia, we can search a list of topics to find information, videos, and facts on a wide range of healthcare conditions and procedures. If we click the Symptom Health Navigator, we can use an interactive avatar to select any part of the human body and then look for conditions, symptoms, and procedures related to that part of the body. There is an adult male, adult female, male child, and female child icon to search from. Each icon will change the list of conditions and procedures that are available to select. For example, if we click Eyes and then Symptoms and Go, we can see a list of symptoms related to the eyes. We can click any of these in order to preview information about that condition or procedure.